In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create products in the product library in HubSpot. This straightforward guide is perfect for those looking to streamline their workflow and effortlessly manage their products within HubSpot. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make your way to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred browser and type in hubspot.com to navigate to the site. Once you're there, scan the top right corner of the page. You should see a button labeled Login. Give that a click. Once you've clicked Login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your email and password and then hit enter or click the Login button. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. It's a hub where you can manage all your HubSpot activities, but today our focus is on creating products, so let's proceed. Now direct your attention to the main navigation bar. You're looking for the commerce section. This might sometimes be under a different heading depending on your HubSpot configuration, but usually it's pretty accessible. Click on commerce to get to the next step. Inside the commerce section, look for the products option. Clicking here will take you into the product management area where all your existing products are listed. This is essentially your product library, a central repository for all the items or services you offer. Once you're in the product section, look toward the top right hand side of the page for a create product button. This is where the magic happens. Click on it and you'll be brought to a new page where you can input all the details for your new product. Now that you're on the Create Product page, it's time to input your product's information. You'll be prompted to fill out fields for your product name, description, price, and other relevant data that will help you and your team keep organized records. Make sure to fill in each field carefully to ensure all the necessary information is captured. Double check for any typos or errors, as this information will be directly customer facing. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and you're satisfied with your entries, you'll want to save your work. Look for the Save or Create Product button, typically located towards the bottom of the form. Give it a click and voila, you've created a new product in your HubSpot product library. Congratulations! You've now successfully added a product to your HubSpot library. This process can be repeated anytime you need to add more products, making it easier for you to manage what you offer and keep everything organized in one convenient place. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide helps you efficiently manage your product library in HubSpot. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and guides.